So hey nerds, this is Suman and in this video we're just doing some calculus problems. So I had started a challenge for me and it might be helpful to you in your calculus journey. So this is the fourth video and we are discussing about the various calculus problems, and if you had some calculus problem related on your textbooks and in your calculus journey, you can actually post it in our community tab. So it is open for free, so everyone can use it and try to send some harder problems. Right, so the question is, today's question is going to be, that is integral of sine x times cosine of 2x, and this would be our dx. So whether I have to use this or first we have to solve sine x or sine x. So basically let us do this, and you can actually see from here this term seems actually looks like this, that is sine a times of cosine of b. So this looks like very familiar to us, and before solving this whole equation we have to just manipulate our some terms here. So the term is going to be, so our formula, that is sine of a plus b, can written as sine a cosine of b plus cosine of a sine of b, and another form is sine a minus b. So same, this would be the same, just you have to put minus sign in terms of plus sign. So this is sine a cos b minus of cos a sine b. So our format actually looks like sine a cosine of b, right? So in order to make that thing happen, we have to we have to add our formula. So what would happen if we just add our formula? So let's add our formula, then we get sine a plus b plus sine a minus b is. So if you're going to add these two terms, this term is going to cancel out and this term will going to add up, and you will get 2 sine a cosine of b. And if you divide the whole bunch of equation with 2, you will get this format. So in terms of x, in terms of a, we can substitute x, and in terms of b, we can substitute here as 2x, right? So in terms of sine a cosine of b, now we can substitute this relationship. So this is going to be I, that is integral from, and the format is looks like this, that is sine, and it's a plus b. So a plus b is going to be x plus 2x plus, and sine. So it is x minus of 2x, right? And you have divided by 2 dx. Now we are going to separate our integral, that is 1 over 2 integral sine 3x dx, and notice there will be some term that came out as sine of negative x, and that can be written as sine of negative sine of x, right? So I can write it as minus 1 over 2 integral, the sine of this is sine of x, and this is dx, right? So now it came out with the basic formula, right? So in terms of integration, I have to write 1 over 6. So because it is 1 over 2 into the integration of sine 3x is cosine 3x, and by 3 minus 1 by 2. So the integration of sine is actually negative cosine. So this is negative cosine, and the negative cos x plus c. If you want to divide by 1, it doesn't make quite good sense, and you will get minus 1 by 6 cosine of 3x plus 1 by 2 cos of x with some constant c. And now if you want to take the minus sign, you want to take 6 common, you can actually take it as 1 over 6, 3 cos x minus minus cosine of 3x plus c. So this would be our final integral, right? So I have just manipulated the terms here, right? So basically the integration of sine of x cosine of 2x can be written as 1 over 6 3 cos x minus cosine of 3x with some constant c. So this would be our final integral. So isn't this beautiful? It is not beautiful to the some of the students, right? So this is the this is the fourth video of 100 calculus problem series, and in next video we will be doing some more other problems. Up to there, bye bye.